Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export in DaVinci Resolve project. How to do this is pretty simple. So let's say you have finished your project here in DaVinci Resolve, and as you can see I have made a speed ramp video, so go check that out in our channel. So here all you have to do is go to this tab right here, and it's called Deliver. It's the rocket ship in the right corner, and then from there you have your export. So here you will have to do render settings first, make a file name, location, and your export setting videos. So mine is MP4, and we have a separate video regarding MP4 also. So from there all you have to do is just add the render queue, and as you can see, just render all, and then it will be rendering in progress. So once it's done, it's gonna save in the file name that you have placed it here. So as you can see, it's gonna save in my movies, so I named it test, and there you go, it's completed and now it's ready to be viewed in my finder. So there you go guys. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.